Assalamu alaikum. So today was one of the big day of my life. Yes, finally I did it. YouTube officially sent me one surprise box. I received surprise gift from YouTube. And it was Partner Perks card, along with gifts and treats. I received YouTube clapperboard along with YouTube official pen and box. Seeing the YouTube clapperboard and pen, my kids became excited and happy to see their mom's gift. It was a wonderful moment for me and for my family. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The secret of getting started is breaking your complex, overwhelming tasks into small, manageable tasks, and then starting on the first one. I found that small wins, small projects, small differences often make huge differences. Treat every small victory like you just won the Super Bowl. Perseverance goes a long way. You never achieve success unless you like what you are doing. Small wins are those little milestones that help you get closer to bigger goals. Whether it's completing a task or hitting a daily target, these moments of progress can boost your sense of achievement. They also activate the brain's reward system, making you feel good and encouraging you to keep going. Achievements in life are successes you've attained, particularly those that you're proud of. So here I am celebrating with my YouTube family a small achievement. Without you guys, it was not possible. My special thanks to YouTube partner Perks for this special gifts and treats. So guys, keep watching my videos. See you all. Goodbye.